how to use Canva presentation template on PowerPoint. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to use your Canva presentation templates on your PowerPoint application, so here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to canva.com from any of your browser and log into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in, and just head over to this template section where you can actually search in for the presentation template just like this. And or you can also click on this create button and simply search in for the presentation just like this. So for now, I'll simply head over to my presentation samples from over here. So let's say I want this presentation over here, and simply tap on this customize template button over here. So once I'm inside here, what I'll be doing is just click on this share button once all of the pages of the presentation has been loaded. So all you have to do is just click on this download, and once you click on this download, make sure to select this all of the pages from over here. Make sure that all of the pages has been selected. Now simply click on this file type button over here and simply select to the Microsoft PowerPoint document, that is PPTX, and just download it from over here. So once you download it as an PPTX, it will be automatically be able to open via the PowerPoint application just like this. As you can see, the PowerPoint icon has appeared. Now you can just double tap on it to open it with your PowerPoint application. As you can see, now you can easily enable the editing and edit the PowerPoint presentation, that is our Canva template, however you want. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.